Here's some breaking the sound barrier trivia. Subscribe. What supersonic jet was built by Concorde? Is it A, Lockheed SR-71B, Airbus A380C, Boeing 747, or D, Concorde? The correct answer is D, Concorde. What year did Chuck Yeager break the sound barrier? Is it A, 1955, B, 1947, C, 1945, or D, 1965? The correct answer is B, 1947. Which aircraft was the first to exceed Mach 1? Is it A, Bell X-1, B, MiG-21 Fishbed, C, Boeing 747, or D, F-14 Tomcat? The correct answer is A, Bell X-1. Where did the sound barrier get broken? Is it A, Langley FB, B, Muroc Air Force Base, C, Wright-Patterson AFB, or D, Nellis AFB? The correct answer is B, Muroc Air Force Base. What military jet is known as the F-15? Is it A, Hornet, B, Falcon, C, Raptor, or D, Eagle? The correct answer is D, Eagle. Which record-breaking jet was developed by NASA? Is it A, X-15, B, F-22, C, Concorde, SR-71? The correct answer is A, X-15. In what year did the Concorde make its first flight? Is it A, 1969, B, 1985, C, 1992, or D, 1973? The correct answer is A, 1969. Which country developed the MiG-25? Is it A, Soviet Union, B, China, C, Germany, D, United States? The correct answer is A, Soviet Union. What is a key feature of transonic flight? Is it A, lift decrease, B, drag increase, C, engine noise reduction, or D, maneuverability boost? The correct answer is B, drag increase. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.